Are lazy adjusters making you do their job?
An adjuster always has the responsibility to investigate.
Insurance adjusters cannot invent their own rules.
We often hear about these mythical guidelines that the insurance carriers have. I've frequently asked for them and I've never received a copy.
Insurance company is obligated to handle the claim in good faith and lead to a fair result. Can an insurance adjuster force you to use Xactimate prices?
The user agreement in Xactimate says it's a tool and it needs to be adjusted for market conditions.
Tactics like lowballing, delaying payments, and misrepresenting coverage could constitute bad faith.
You need a paper trail for everything that you've done. Oftentimes, adjusters will cite the policy conditions, which indicate you have a duty to prove your claim, but that has its limitations.
Join me and Chris Faber on Thursday, March 6, 2025 for Restoration Expert Briefing episode number 19, Cutting Through Adjuster Smokescreens.